Alright, we're live and good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders. This is FXFreedom broadcasting you live on YouTube, and this is the Professional Forex Trading Course 101, everybody. Ernesto, hi boss. You are the boss, Ernesto. So we are starting the Forex Trading Week, everybody. Remember what we are doing in the Forex Trading Week. We are trying to implement what we have learned so far into the live market, right? So we just finished trading Japanese candlesticks, alright? Never forget, trading is a learnable skill when you learn in the correct way, everybody. And never forget, you are going to graduate from this course when, number one, you have your chart set up and ready for trading. We are going to work on number one today. Number two, you have your strategy in place. You understand why you win, why you lose. We are going to work on number two today. And number three, you have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. We are going to work on number three. So Forex Trading Week, we are going to trade. You are going to trade. And we are going to work on 1 to 3, right? Remember this disclaimer, this stream it's not trading or investment advice. We are here to learn, especially in the Forex Trading Week. Yesterday, new right on the Telegram group, got involved in car accident and needed surgery. I will take a couple of weeks to be back. Okay, hope that link gets back as soon as possible, everybody. And for questions and homeworks, email everybody. You have the email education@fxfreedom@gmail.com, and for lessons and webinars and courses, mini courses, you have the Skype. Alright, so let's start this Forex Trading Week. And what is going to change starting from this? We got an idea, okay, talking about trading, right? And this is the Fibonacci, everybody. We are going to learn about the Fibonacci next week. We're going to start to learn the Fibonacci, okay? So the biggest winner, okay? So floating and slash or closed trade will win 1 hour free mentorship with FXFreedom. Alright, everybody. On Tuesday, today's Tuesday, right? So we're going to trade for 1 week, not on Friday, no class on Friday. So we're going to trade today, tomorrow, Thursday, and Monday too. And the biggest winner, it doesn't matter floating, profit, or close trade, will win 1 hour free mentorship with FXFreedom. Alright? Okay, you are going to tell me what you're struggling with, your issues, your problems, talking about trading, of course. Okay, I'm going to try to help. Now, type in the chat, everybody, currency per time frame, and let's trade. Long, short, sideways, whatever you want. Any questions so far? Yes. As always, there is no right or wrong. You can trade any currency pairs, any time frames. Your chart so far, your chart so far, give me a second. Your chart so far should be something like this. Forget about the Fibonacci's. We're going to learn about the Fibonacci's next week. Forget about indicators too. We're going to learn about indicators next week, everybody. But your chart should be so far something like this, right? You should have the monthly, weekly, daily, and then the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart, whatever. Okay, so let's start with AUD/USD, everybody. AUD/USD daily chart, long or short for the day or long or short for the week. Okay, AUD USD, so far it's like this. And the question, yes, you can change currency pairs, not a problem. Okay, AUD USD, AUD USD, long or short for the day if you're a day trader, or long or short for the week if you're a swing trader. Alright, everybody? Yes, there is no right or wrong. Okay, so this is number one, AUD USD. We're going to ask the same questions. And long or short for the day, long or short for the week. Next, number one, what pattern? Number two, where is the stop loss? Number three, where is the take profit? Alright. Last week we were learning how to lose less. Now you are learning how to make money. Boss, teach me how to make money. There you go. Trade. Alright? Trade. Teach me how to make money. You must enter the market and make profits. Come on. Hedge fund trader Ernesto, hedge fund trader Clara, hedge fund trader Julius, and everybody else. Hedge fund trader Ala, type in the chat, long or short. It doesn't need to be the daily chart, could be anything. Any chart, time frame, 15-minute chart, 1 hour chart, 2 hour chart. Boss, what would you do? I'm shorting AUD USD. I'm short on AUD USD, I'm short on NZD USD. Everybody. Hello Rakesh, how are you? Long time no see. Agreed. How are you, my friend? How is your daughter? There is no right or wrong, everybody. You can trade any pattern you want, right? Okay? Boss, but I didn't learn the Fibonacci's yet. Next week we are going to learn the Fibonacci's, alright? And if you learned Fibonacci already, this month, the whole month of May, we have on Sundays the Fibonacci Mastery. You know, the tricks and everything else. Hedge fund trader Rakesh and Ernesto and Lynn is, hope we are going to get soon, Lynn. Well, hedge fund trader Clara, Julius, Jordanka, Ala, long or short on AUD/USD. No, you cannot stay out. Boss, teach me how to make money. You must spot patterns, everybody. Look at the chart, look at the chart. You have between 3 and 5 patterns right now on the chart. Make sense? No, you can. I'm not your father, but why would you stay out of the market? Right? Whatever, market wave, short-term trend, crown. I'm looking for long above 6806. Alright. What pattern? Hedge fund trader Rakesh says long. Alright, what pattern are you going to buy? Gamer, hello, how are you? All are good, brother. Good, nice to hear. I'm happy for you. Hedge fund trader Gamer, long or short on AUD/USD? Could be 15-minute chart, 1 hour chart, 2 hour chart, 4 hour chart. No, monthly, not the monthly, not the monthly. We have not studied crown yet. It was just an example, Ernesto. See how this goes? Trading is a learnable skill. Teach me how to make money. Now this is you learning how to make money. Look at the chart and trade. Make sense, everybody? And don't be scared, you're on a demo account. Right? What if I lose? You are going to have losers. What if I draw down? You are going to have drawdowns. This is all part of the game. So it's practice, 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 practice. Only Rakesh has the courage to enter the market long. So hedge fund trader, Ernesto, hedge fund trader gamer, long or short, what pattern, where is the stop loss, where is the take profit? Rakesh says market structure break above 6. Okay. So what pattern, on what time frame? Yeah, my bad, right? I didn't. So what pattern and on what time frame? My bad. What time frame? My bad, everybody. What time frame? What time frame? All right. Fibonacci's next week. All right. All right. So clone chart. Fibonacci's out, right? We didn't learn Fibonacci's yet. Fibonacci's out. Fibonacci's, whoops, not this one. Fibonacci's out. All right. There you go. Indicators out. There you go. Everybody, AUD USD daily chart. Is the market going down or is the market going up? Type in the chat. General direction. Is the market going down? Is the market pushing down? Or is the market pushing up? What do you mean, boss? General direction. Why general direction? Because you can choose to go long or short for the day if you're a day trader, or you can go long or short for the week if you're a swing trader. If you're a scalper, you can go long or short for the next 15 minutes, okay, or for the next hour, whatever. All right, one more. Why not, right? Why not? Long or short for the hour. If you're a scalper, why not? Whoops. There you go. One more time. 24. There you go. Everybody, general direction. Is AUD USD pushing down? Or is AUD USD pushing up general direction wise? Now down but above, we look for high, okay? Everybody, do we agree that the market's pushing down? Long term? General direction? We've learned in the previous lessons a tool called trend line. What is a trend line? A trend line is a tool that confirms the trend. Everybody, is the trend line confirming the trend? This is wrong. So this one is wrong. Right? We are here. And we have one more trend line, and it goes from here to here. Everybody, you must look at the chart, and this is the skill, right? So generally speaking, general direction, the market is down, right? Down, yes, making lower highs, lower lows on the daily time frame. Very good. What is the market doing short term? What is the market doing short term on the daily time frame? Still the daily time frame. What is the market doing short term? Is the market making higher highs, higher lows? Oh, this is the same candle low. There is no high. So low, to high, to low, to high, to low, to high, to low, to high, to low. Is the market making lower lows, lower highs, everybody? Or is the market making higher highs, higher lows? See, it's not that difficult, right? Boss, teach me how to make money. Trade, enter the market. Make sense, everybody? There is no right or wrong. Long or short. Long term, the market is down. What is the market doing short term? Everybody, is anything wrong if you do whatever you want and if you put the stop loss above the long-term downtrend line on the daily chart? Is anything wrong about that or with this? So this is the downtrend line, right? Downtrend line, long-term, alright. Now you can go on the 15-minute chart, whatever. Up to you. I'm trading. In the advanced course, we learn about trading styles and personalities. Me personally, I'm a long-term swing trader and I'm trading the 4-hour chart. Okay, I tried to be a scalper, didn't work for me. I loved being a day trader, didn't work for me. My personality is 4-hour chart, long-term swing trader. Alright? Now, talking about extension, retracement, extension. We've learned all of this, everybody. You know, starting from here, extension, retracement, lower lows, extension, retracement, lower lows, lower highs, down to here. Can you trade the green market wave if you want? Can you trade the green market wave from the daily and you put the stop loss somewhere above in here? Just an example. So you can trade whatever you want and you put the stop loss above the downtrend line. Is anything wrong? No, it's not. You can trade the green market wave and you put the stop loss above the relevant high. Is anything wrong? No, it's not. You can trade the short-term trend, everybody. Make sense? I'm telling to the ones who are asking me every single time, teach me how to make money. Now it's your time. Teach me how to make money, boss. Trade the market. If you set the stop loss at trend line, the risk reward would be bad. You will be targeting lower than monthly band. Thank you very much. Let's check if this is true. If I enter right now, Ernesto said risk reward ratio is bad. Let's say this is true. So this is 1 and clone. Whoops. Let's see if we are going down. Not true, Ernesto. Where you see the bump? Hedge fund trader Ernesto, what are you talking about? Not true. Not true, Ernesto. We have space. Do we agree, Ernesto, that it's not true? If you set the stop loss at the trend line, the risk reward, not true. Do we agree, everybody? Not true. Thanks for the comment, Ernesto. Risk reward ratio, still we have space to go down. Agreed, everybody? If I wait for the red line to be tested and then expected the green line to be made, then yes, a good risk reward ratio will be there. 2020 lower low. I don't care about your 2020 lower low. Ernesto, and everybody else monthly chart. Monthly chart, monthly chart, monthly chart. Not this one. Okay, let's get here, everybody. Exit full screen and daily. Where are we? We're here, right? We are here, and let's go on the... Yeah, I need to change it anyway. Exit full screen, settings, zoom, preferences, chart settings, general, and let's go to UTC and daytime, UTC, and alright. Let's see if anything is going to change. So this is the daily, and now let's go back to the monthly. See, Ernesto? See the bands, Ernesto, and everybody else? By the way, if you have your monthly bands wrong, you would be buying right now and not shorting the market. By the way, you would be positioned in the wrong direction long term based on the bands. Okay? Sir, timing and direction is not well understood, especially in lower time frame. Go to the higher time frame, Shola. We explained to you, everybody, that the smaller the time frame, 15-minute chart, the more noise is there. True or not true? The smaller the time frame, the more noise. Ernesto was asking me, you said last year that patterns are found on monthly, weekly, daily. True. Okay? Not that they are not patterns, but there is more noise on the 4-hour chart, 2-hour chart, 1-hour chart. Alright, get exit full screen, settings, back again, preferences, general. I need to go back to, what was this one? EET. Alright. Full screen, daily chart. Everybody, you are going to receive a prize. Okay, any other currency pairs? Maybe AUD, USD. Any other currency pairs that you want to trade, everybody? You can type in the chat. Any currency pair, any time frame. Whatever. Yes, sir, there is no right or wrong. You must trade, you must enter, open a demo account and follow the concept of what I'm teaching you. Structure your learning. You know, do 1, 2, 3. What pattern, where the stop loss, where the take profit. Alright? It's not that difficult, everybody, makes sense? It's not going to help you. You are here for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years and you never enter the market. You must put what you learn into practice. Does this make sense to you? Some of you want the Lambo and you are waiting and waiting and waiting, you know, for the perfect time, which is never going to come, by the way. You know, and you're waiting and waiting and, oh, today the RSI is not well positioned and today I don't have the counter trendline break and this entry it's over. Always giving you excuses, right? My life is not going to change if you enter or not, but your life could. Stop giving yourself excuses not to enter the market. You are on a demo account, for God's sakes. Oh, you are so rude. I'm not. I'm not rude. I'm telling you, boss, teach me how to make money. Trade the market. Do the miles, make mistakes on the demo account. Course correct. Fair enough? Talking about being fair as a coach, as a trainer, fair enough? How do you think I get to this level? Just looking at the charts, staring at charts like 24 hours? Of course not. Everybody, we are all the same, makes sense? I'm no different than you, believe me. Rakesh knows we're all the same. Okay? Boss, what's the difference then? The one who moves forward, enters the market. In the beginning, it's a lot about courage. I completely agree that we must trade. I'm working on my charts and strategy, and the next month start trading demo account. Very good. Alright, nobody on AUD USD. Everybody, let's open the cliche quote. Euro dollar, long or short. There is no right or wrong. Euro dollar, let's see here, everybody. Alright, euro dollar 4-hour chart, right? 4-hour chart. Euro dollar 4-hour chart, everybody. Long or short? And again, we all make mistakes. Learning from mistakes matters. Exactly. But if you don't trade, how are you going to learn from the mistakes? Everybody, this is the logic behind, right? Oh, I'm so afraid. If you don't trade, how are you going to learn from the mistakes? Euro dollar 4-hour chart, long or short? This is an easy one, right? Come on. Euro dollar 4-hour chart. Come on, everybody, this is an easy one. There is no right or wrong, exactly. You can have two different traders looking and staring at the same chart. One is going to buy the market. The other one is going to stare at exactly the same chart on the same time frame and is going to sell the market. If those two traders know what they are doing, both can win. If both of them are not skilled enough, both are going to lose too. So don't be afraid, everybody, to say, oh, I want to be long or I want to be short. What if I make mistakes? There are no any mistakes, just lessons learned. Rakesh says long until it breaks below 1. Finally. Alright, long. What pattern are you trading, Rakesh? What pattern? Okay, so same story, everybody. Long or short, what pattern, where is the stop loss and where is the take profit? And then I'm going to enter the market for you, right? And the biggest winner wins 1 hour free mentorship with me. On Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, yes. So, number 1, long or short. Number 2, what time frame? You can change time frames. What time frame? 3, what pattern? Number 4, where is the stop loss? Number 5, where is the take profit? High low on the daily time frame. Alright, very good. Exit full screen. Let's see if I have, this is the monthly, this is the euro dollar daily chart. Difficult homework, but with value. Check how many losers you have from entries that were based from you thinking what is going to happen. Alright. Rakesh is saying short-term trend from the daily. High to low, to high to low, to high to low, to high. Okay. So stop loss goes where, Rakesh? Here. Stop loss below the low. Do you want the stop loss somewhere near? Do you want the stop loss somewhere near? Alright, give me a second. What is the number? 1.090, Rakesh, stop loss. Rakesh, stop loss. Question mark, stop loss good? You said long until 109.07, 109. Do you mean short instead long? Alright, very excellent. We have one trader finally. We have one trader. Excellent job. Alright. So we're not going to waste time calculating the risk, everybody. Okay, I'm going to buy. Market stop loss is going to be at price 1.0909 and take profit is going to be at 1.1115. Submit. We have one trader. Very good. Alright. Is that difficult, everybody? Long. Is this that difficult? Is this that difficult, everybody? We are long. Rakesh is one. This is the stop loss, right? And this is the take profit to risk reward ratio. Makes sense? Alright. This is the daily chart. Let's zoom out. Let's see where we stand. Higher highs, higher lows. Right, market moving up still. Alright. 4-hour chart. Everybody, is anything wrong if I short the market? Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low. Anything wrong if I short the market? Rakesh is buying the daily chart. Is anything wrong if I short the 4-hour short-term downtrend? Anything wrong? Oh, but it's riskier. You choose what to do. I'm just giving you examples. Boss, teach me how to make money. I cannot trade for you. Does this make sense? No, I was joking. I know, but I cannot trade for you. Make sense? Use whatever tools you want, sure. You can short on time frame lower than the 4-hour, exactly. Anybody else want to go long or short on euro dollar? The biggest winner on Tuesday, it doesn't matter pending or closed trade, is going to win 1 hour free mentorship. Alright. See here the position, everybody, messages, alright. This is Rakesh position. Anybody else want to trade euro dollar right now? Alright, next. Let's open the easy one, right? NZD-CAD. This NZD-CAD is for the beginner traders to study. It's the easy one, right? NZD-CAD, everybody. 1 hour chart, alright? NZD-CAD 1 hour chart. Long or short? NZD-CAD 1 hour chart. Long or short? Yes, you can go on the daily, you can go on the weekly, you can go on the 2 hour, 4 hour, whatever. Do we agree, everybody, that NZD-CAD 1 hour chart, do we agree that this market was like this, and this market was like this, and the market was making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, higher high, but then lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and now the same market's making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Do we agree, everybody? So how are you going to trade this one? Long or short? There is no right or wrong. Boss, what if the market reverses? The market is going to reverse always. Beginner traders, you cannot expect that you are going to enter the market and win in the very next 1 second. You must align your expectations. Boss, what about, I have a comment on the other streaming platform. Boss, what about GBP JPY? Yes, on the last day I'm going to analyze the charts for you, everybody. Next Thursday I'm going to do a complete analysis, monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour for you, alright? GBP JPY daily chart. Same story, everybody. See, boss, teach me how to make money. Do we agree that the markets are moving? Do we agree that the market, the Forex market is moving, everybody? Do we agree that currency pairs are moving? They are not in consolidation anymore. Do we agree? Boss, but I'm scared. Welcome to the club. Rakesh is scared too, but he still entered euro dollar. Make sense? GBP JPY daily chart, long or short? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Maybe not this one. You know, we are up in here, long or short? I have a great comment, listen to this. Boss, I'm confused on what pattern to trade. Okay, pay attention. It's a matter of choice. You must choose. Everybody, is this that difficult to understand, or does this make sense? You are looking at GBP JPY weekly chart. Fibonacci is out, we didn't learn yet. Out, out, out. You are looking at GBP JPY weekly chart. Alright? And now you are seeing what? you are seeing maybe the high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, not a low, high to low, low to high, high to low. You are looking at the short-term uptrend, right? Then you are having here the, not sure where it is, give me a second everybody. You are looking at the bet pattern if you want, to short. Alright? So you have a pattern to go long, which is the short-term uptrend, and you are looking at the pattern, I believe it's called the bet, right? To go short, and the student trader said, oh, but I'm confused on what pattern to trade. It's a matter of choice. You must choose. How do I know which one? It's based on number 3. You have a complete understanding of how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. If you believe from your analysis, from the monthly chart, just an example, that this market is going to push up, then you are not going to short the bet, right? I mean, this makes sense. Does this make sense to you? On the other side, if you believe that this market is going to fall from Monday to Friday, then you are going to short the market and you are going to look for patterns that give support to your analysis. Does this make sense to you? Boss, can you repeat please? Alright. Once you've analyzed the market and determined the direction for the week, from Monday to Friday, then the next step for you is to look for patterns that are going to give support to your analysis. Does this make sense to you, everybody? If you see the market wave like this, right? But the market wave so far it's in a retracement, just an example. And you, as an analyst, you are not a trader yet, you as an analyst, you determine, in my opinion, this week from May 1st to May 5th, in my opinion, I don't have the crystal ball, in my opinion, educated guess, in my opinion, the market is going to continue to go down, is going to continue to retrace, in my opinion. This is me making a decision on the market direction for the week. This is step number 1. Step number 2, find patterns on any time frame that are giving you support, that are confirming your analysis on the direction. Feedback, everybody, type in the chat. Does this make sense to you? If it doesn't, type in the chat. No, boss, this doesn't make sense to me. Ask questions, everybody. So number 1, determine determine market direction for the week. Number 2, find patterns that give support to your analysis. Hopefully my English is correct. Okay, find patterns that give support to your analysis. Make sense? What does this mean? Trade the patterns in the direction from your prediction of the direction of this week. Not sure my English is correct. Let's check, everybody. Determine market direction for the week. Find patterns that give support to your analysis. Trade the patterns in the direction from your prediction of the direction of this week. Take a screenshot, everybody, photo, whatever, with a cell phone, and type in the chat done. Rakesh says, my understanding is that if you keep your risk in check, then you will not be afraid. Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Great quote. Shola, what are the most easy pairs to trade for beginners? In my opinion, Shola, it's NZD CAD, Euro CAD, Euro New Zealand. In my opinion, Canada JPY, Euro JPY. In my opinion, the JPY pairs, in my opinion, not a rule, okay, JPY pairs are the easy one, if you ask me. Some Euro pairs, the difficult one are not all of them, but GBP pairs, GBP JPY is the easy one, if you ask me, okay. New Zealand's are NZD pairs are easy to trade, if you ask me, compared to the others. CHF, it's a difficult one, if you ask me, for beginners. Alright? Boss, why NZD CAD? Well, clone chart, NZD CAD. Everybody, I'm going to go on the weekly chart. You know, this is NZD CAD weekly chart, everybody. Why this one? In my opinion, because it's smooth. High to low, low to high, 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 high to low. Right? And again, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low. And again, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high. Can you see it, everybody? Oh, but it went up too. You cannot escape losers. Everybody, you must grow up, make sense? You must grow up, not as a person, you must grow up as a trader. You must grow up. You know? Stop deluding yourself to have winners all the time. It's not going to happen. Expect losers. I'm telling you every single time, if you've been around the block for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, come to the Forex course 202. There is a lot that you don't know. It's not on YouTube, everybody, make sense? Institutional knowledge, it's not on YouTube. This is the knowledge you are not going to find online. Ask Clara, ask Julius. You are not going to find institutional knowledge online. Oh yeah, but the shaky trades, those guys are little traders. Make sense? With the Lambos and the Porsches and the Rolex, you know. You can rent a Lambo tomorrow if you want and make a nice video, right? Make sense, everybody? If you're not making it after 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, you must come to the advanced course. Clara is here. Ask Clara. You have a lot to learn. You don't know all the things. You have no idea how this business is done. For advanced traders, I'm not talking to beginner traders right now, I'm talking to advanced traders. Ask Clara, you have no idea how this business is done. I don't believe you. I love the non-believers. Ask Clara. She knows. Money, how money is made in the financial markets has nothing to do with what you think. You know, it's about the chart and the signal and the strategy and the system and the doesn't work like this. Sir, is it not short trend that we determine short for the week? Is it not short trend? Shall I be more specific? Short term, short time. Every single time frame has the short term view. Monthly has the short term view, weekly has the short term view, the daily has the short term view, the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour has the short term view. Alright everybody, our time is up. See you back tomorrow. Remember, the biggest winner on Tuesday, I'm going to give you 1 hour free mentorship with me, pending or close, whatever. So far it's Rakesh. Rakesh is the only who traded the market today. Okay, see you back tomorrow. Until tomorrow, stay strong and trade for freedom. You don't know it yet, don't trade for money.